Imagine a vast library that stores over 1 billion terabytes of data, with new information being added every second. This library is not a physical building, but a network of servers and data centers spread across the globe, working together to form the backbone of cloud storage. The numbers are staggering, with companies like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft investing billions of dollars in their cloud infrastructure. Cloud storage is a system where data is stored and accessed over the internet, rather than on a local device. This is made possible by a network of servers, each with its own storage capacity, which are linked together to form a cloud. For example, Amazon's S3 cloud storage service uses a vast array of servers, each with a capacity of 16 terabytes, to store over 100 trillion objects. Google Cloud Storage and Microsoft Azure also employ similar architectures, with Google's data centers spanning across 21 regions worldwide and Azure boasting over 160 data centers globally. The data is split into smaller chunks, replicated, and distributed across multiple servers to ensure redundancy and availability. This approach allows for scalability, with companies like Netflix and Dropbox relying on cloud storage to manage their vast amounts of user data, over 100 petabytes in the case of Netflix. By using cloud storage, individuals and organizations can access their data from anywhere, at any time, and benefit from the reliability and flexibility that cloud storage provides, with over 70% of organizations already using cloud services. Data centers are the physical locations where cloud storage servers are housed, playing a crucial role in the functioning of cloud storage systems. These facilities are designed to be highly secure, with features like biometric authentication, motion detectors, and video surveillance to prevent unauthorized access. The largest data center in the world, the Range International Information Hub in China, covers an area of over 13 million square feet and uses enough electricity to power a small city, approximately 150 megawatts of power. For example, companies like Google and Amazon have multiple data centers around the world, with Google having over 20 data centers in the United States alone. Data centers are also designed to be highly efficient, with some facilities using advanced cooling systems that use outside air to reduce energy consumption, such as the Facebook data center in Prineville, Oregon, which uses a cooling system that reduces energy consumption by 70%. This focus on efficiency is important, as data centers currently account for around 2% of global electricity usage, with this number expected to rise to 8% by 2030. Chapter Storage Technologies, about demystifying the inner workings of cloud storage systems. Cloud storage systems use a variety of storage technologies, including hard disk drives, solid-state drives, and tape storage. Each technology has its own advantages and disadvantages, with hard disk drives offering high capacity at a low cost, while solid-state drives provide fast access times and low latency. For example, Google's cloud storage service uses a combination of hard disk drives and solid-state drives to store data, with the latter being used for frequently accessed files. The company has also developed its own custom storage devices, like the Colossus disk drive, which has a capacity of 12 terabytes. Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure also utilize a mix of storage technologies, with Amazon using over 50 million hard disk drives in its data centers, and Microsoft employing solid-state drives to support its high-performance computing workloads. According to recent studies, the average cloud storage system can store up to 100 petabytes of data, with some large-scale systems reaching capacities of over 1 exabyte, or 1 billion gigabytes. Chapter Security Measures, about demystifying the inner workings of cloud storage systems. Cloud storage systems have multiple layers of security to protect user data, including encryption, firewalls, and access controls. For example, Amazon's S3 service uses server-side encryption, which encrypts data as it is written to the server, and client-side encryption, which encrypts data before it is transmitted to the server. The company also uses a variety of access controls, like bucket policies and access control lists, to restrict access to data, with over 99.99% durability and 99.995% availability. Additionally, cloud storage providers like Google Cloud Storage and Microsoft Azure often use advanced threat detection systems, like machine learning algorithms, to identify and respond to security threats, with some systems analyzing over 100 billion security events daily. According to a report by the Cloud Security Alliance, over 75% of cloud storage providers use encryption to protect data at rest and in transit, and companies like Dropbox and Box have implemented two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. The future of cloud storage is likely to be shaped by advancements in technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain, and quantum computing. For example, AI can be used to optimize data storage and retrieval, with companies like Microsoft and Google already utilizing machine learning algorithms to improve data management, resulting in a 30% reduction in storage costs. Blockchain can provide an additional layer of security and transparency, with over 50% of companies expected to adopt blockchain technology by 2025. Quantum computing, on the other hand, has the potential to revolutionize data encryption and decryption, with the ability to process complex calculations at speeds of over 100 petaflops. Companies like Microsoft and Google are already investing heavily in these technologies, with the former developing its own quantum computing platform, called Azure Quantum, and the latter using AI to optimize its cloud storage services, such as Google Drive, which stores over 2 trillion files. Thanks for watching this video on the inner workings of cloud storage systems. If you want to learn more about the latest advancements in technology, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our next video on the future of artificial intelligence.